Hello, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a brand new video, and this time I'm Magic Roundabout with these two corgi toys London Fx4 taxis. So as you're watching go round, just to say hello to my friends of the channel, welcome back, any new friends welcome aboard, thanks for sticking with me. Yeah, so have these two. So just get them off your magic onto the bench and have a good look at them. Right, okay, so I have these two London taxis, fairly play wall near and there. I've already pre-drilled a post to save a bit of time, so I'll open these one at a time and see what we're dealing with. I used to do loads of these when I first started doing these. Before I knew how to get into these bases here by drilling them, I used to get a screwdriver or cut some out and just smash windows out, pull the bumpers out. Yeah, did it the hard way, but that's how I did it back then. Right, so right, that's one. Right, so now what I've already done, I'll just do this one first then. Right, so that's come off quite easily. We'll play a bit of that in a minute. Bumpers don't really want. A bit of a seat there. Two seats there. Interior should just pop out. It should do, he says. Oh, I've got one here, look at that, there you go. Right, we'll sort that bit out in a minute. These doors usually fall off. Yeah, that's normal. Yeah, they just pop back in like that on those little inserts there. A bit fiddly trying to do a camera. See it like that. There you go. So that's for doors. That's a casting done. Okay. I apologise for that noise in the background. Me Kindle going off, going berserk. Right, so that's that one. I'm sorted out. Put that on the side. Then we'll try giving this one. Might need a bit of drilling, I think, here and there. It looks like it. Right, okie dokie. There you go, that's that coming out. Right, that's that face off. Bumpers again. Interior should come out quite easily. There you go. Seats as well. Dash as well. Glass. That's that. Okay. Right, now then. Right, that's your castings. Dig them up with salt. Base these out first. Because what you do is just get me cutters and cut both sides off there. Right, so do that first. That. Right, now the castings themselves, what I generally do is give it a sort out a minute. You know what I normally do with these, on the front here, I usually cut, or try to cut just along this line here, and then just underneath the headlights and on the corners here, so cut the wings off. I'm going to do that next. Right, let's see how that goes. Should just cut off there in theory. There you go. So that's one side done. Well, I'm going to do the rest on off camera. You've seen how I do one. So I'm going to do the others and then I'll be right back afterwards. Right, okay, right, I've cut the wings on both of them now, as you can see both sides. On that one and this one here. Okay. And as you may have noticed on both of these, something I've not done before on these, and that's so I've drilled out where the lights would have been. Now the actual lights weren't there, but it just had like roundels in place, so I've drilled into them, made as round as possible to make it look like the headlights were there. Yeah, so something different for these now. Right, next stage is to get them in the old caustic ready for stripping. Right, see, so you see me do that several times before, so you don't need me to show you again. Right, be right back. Right, got both these castings back from the pit of misery. As you can see, one has come off better than the other. The one on the right here, furthest one I should say, this was done with caustic soda and Dettol. And as you can see, it's got most of the paint off. A little bit on top there, which will be sanded down. Little bits here and there. This one here was done with only caustic soda. So I've experimented with the two, see what the difference is. As you can see, if I just move these aside here. So there's more paint left on this one than there is on this one. Here's the one with caustic soda and Dettol. As you can see, it's got most of the paint off. Alright, so what I do now is get them prepped, get the doors bolted and everything else. And start getting ready for paint. Alright, see, I won't do this on camera, you've seen me do this before, like bolting the doors and putting the thin plates on, doing the H-frames. So I'll do this off camera and be right back afterwards. Right, okie dokie, both takes are now finished. Yeah, all painted up. Yeah, that's it, yeah. Yeah, just watching go around. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll read any comments below. Yeah, so until the next one, bye for now. Bye bye.